flipping heck, he's 900 meters away. There's no way. And I've only got... Oh wow, is he dead? Yeah, he's dead, but obviously he respawned, so let's go and get him. I just noticed this car is absolutely amazing for off-roading. I mean, look at that. Oh, what a jump. Look at that air time. Look at this. Please don't hit a tree. Oh, I was going to ride away and make it look like everything just happened amazingly there, but unfortunately it didn't. Right. This place is perfect because it's like raining and stuff. Oh my god, I really need to get back to this guy, man. Right, where is he? Where is this guy? You're in there? I'm coming in. I'm coming in after you. Go get him. Go. No. 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 Wrong person. Damn. Wrong person. Where is he? Which one?
Let's take a look.
Yes, get that. Right, let's hide. Alright, I need to get back to this guy. But first, you know, I gotta finish this. But the question is, where is he? I saw his game tag come up. There he is. Come on, where are you? He's there. He's right there. Oh, I got this guy. He's in like a flipping police chase or gang thing or whatever. Nah, I ain't entering any restricted area, thanks. Where is he? Ah, okay. I'm taking the quadcopter back. Because I think I've got this one. I think. Wait. No, don't get too confident. He's right there. Right, he could probably see my car. Oh my god. He's right there. Where is he? Where the heck did he go? Where is he?
Almost.
Almost there. 92, 94, 95, 6, 97, 98, 99, 100. Right. Nice. Oh my god, he was right there. Alright, let's get another one. We are up for this next one. How far away? 800 meters. Wow, that sucks. Oh, this car will do. Let's go. Wow, where is he? He's back.
Gonna check under the hood.
Parker car. High car here. Yeah, no, it's kind of too open. Plus, it's way too loud. Right, let's get moving. Wait. Get back in the area. Right, let's just stay in here for now. In there. Right, now let's just wait here and see what happens. So I can just whip it around. Hi Marcus. Let's get the drum out. Right. Just take it back a little bit. Right, there we go. Now if we just hold it there, we'll be able to see like when he's coming around. 56, 57. Alright. 60%. There we go. Let's get this one. Come on. Second target searching for me as well. So we could get some more money. Scan the area. Take it up a little bit. I think we got this one in the bag as well. Definitely. Mind, don't speak too soon. Oh god, where is he? I mean, where are they? Mostly they've been over there. Alright, there we go. There he is. Oh damn, we have a drone. That's his drone. There we go, he's looking for us. He's looking for us. But he's not gonna get it. He's not gonna get that one. Alright, we have another player. Alright, and we're gonna get this one. I got a good feeling inside me about this one. We got this. We've got this. This one I'm gonna take my time on. And I'm like, literally, I'm just gonna say, like, oh, this is where I'm gonna hide. Alright, okay, so we don't have many places to hide, so we're gonna whip out the drone. And let's just have a look. He cannot get over. Wait. Do I want to hack him now?
Okay, here we go.
Just run around here. There we go. Just scooch around here. There we go. Whip out the drone. Alright. Now we got full eyes on both roads, so if we just zoom back a bit. Alright, now we can kind of see. Take it up away a little bit. Alright, that's much better. So now I guess we just keep it like that. There he is. Go on, keep moving, mate. Yeah, I would swear that's him. Oh, it's not. Where's the guy then? Because he was in a van like that. But obviously it's actually not that. Right, 50%, halfway there. Is he still in the car park? Parking lot? I don't know. Is he? What was that? Yep, he's still there. Oh, he's in that yellow car.
Oh!
Tell him forward. Oh, what? Mate.
Anytime now.
Right, we should get this one. Yeah, we've got it. We must. Yes, we have it. We have it. That's the data that we need.